Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create custom stadiums in MLB The Show 26. It's pretty easy. All you have to do, just select the create option at the top, select stadium creator. Now right here, either you can create your stadium from scratch or you can use the template. If we go into create new stadium option or just select the plus icon, we'll able to create the stadium from scratch. Like right here you can add stands, trees, animals, whatever you wanna add, you'll able to build your stadium from scratch over here. But personally, many people including me would like to start from the template. So in order to do that, let me exit from here, just scroll and you're gonna see the option template stadiums. So right here you need to choose the stadium which you would like to change. So maybe in my case I would like to customize this one. Now here we can just make any changes we want for this stadium. Like let's say I want to rotate this particular statue. So for that, first of all, if you are completely new or you just don't know any controls, so by using your left stick you'll able to move, using your right stick you'll able to direct, and by using L2 R2 key you'll able to move up and down. So first of all I want to rotate this statue. For that we have to select this statue, then just use your L2 R2 key to rotate like this. Okay, now let's say I wanna replace this particular tree. For that again we have to select the tree and we have the option for swap prop. Press that, and after pressing that key for swap prop we'll able to see options. So you can just replace the tree into anything, like you can go for fences, gates, buildings, animals even. So just choose whatever you like. Let's go for wildlife, and here we're gonna choose something like this. So just select that. Again by using the L2 R2 key we'll able to rotate the animal or object we have added here. Okay, now let's say you wanna delete a particular thing. For that just go closer to the thing you wanna delete, select it, hold the key for modifier which is L1 in my case. So while holding L1 we're gonna see the option delete. Select delete and that thing will be gone. Again this time I want to delete this bench too. We're gonna hold L1, select delete, and yep, it is that easy. Now guys, I would like to add big structures or you can say big buildings behind this stands so that we could see while playing. Like that would look sick if we add. So in order to add props or you can say add objects, we need to hold R1 key or you can say RB key if you're playing on Xbox. While holding that, just select the first option over here, create prop, and once you select that, here we have all the options. Like you can just go for features. Here we have the option for triangle. If we press triangle we're gonna see more options under this particular thing. Like you can go for stadium, you can go for world, entertainment, vehicles. Like basically you can explore this particular category. I would like to go under buildings. Okay, and here again we're gonna hit triangle to open this up, and here we're gonna select high rise, and after selecting high rise we have a lot of options. So just choose which we would like to add. I guess this is looking cool, so we can just select this, zoom out, and just will able to put it wherever we want. For that just select it and just move, just rotate by using L2 R2 key, just place it like this. Again I wanna add, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna hold R1 key or RB key, select this option create prop, and this time we're gonna add something like this one. Okay, so again we need to rotate it, move it here, and just place it. Now guys, if you go to this angle you can see those buildings are looking cool. So this is basically how you can add objects or add props into MLB The Show stadiums. Now let's say we wanna replace this particular object over here. What we're gonna do, we're just gonna select this object, gonna use the key for swap prop, and just select the thing which we wanna use. Like I'm gonna use something like statue maybe. So just select the statue, we're gonna use fountain over here. Let's take this one. Okay, select it and just place it wherever you like. Okay, and the best part is that you can clone things as well. So in order to do that, again hold R1 key or RB key. While holding that you're gonna see the option for clone prop. Select that, and we have the clone of same fountain we have selected. Again I would like to make a clone of the same fountain. For that hold RB or R1, go to this option clone prop, and we have the clone. So yeah guys, that's basically how you'll able to customize stadiums in MLB The Show. In order to save the changes, we need to press the option button, select save changes, and just select the slot where you'd like to save this. After you save, press the option button again, and this time select exit, select yes, and now we have the stadium we have customized in my stadium section. So yeah, this is exactly how you'll able to customize stadiums in MLB The Show 26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.